Hi guys, so we are going to try Bebang. Actually, this is my first time trying this. And I just ordered online dun sa online website nila. And then, pinick up ko lang siya. So, let's try. Guys, this flavor is the presidential. I think this is one of the best sellers. Kasi para siyang everything is on it. Marami namang other flavors, but I opted na try na lang yung original or that's one. Something like that. Let's go muna siya. Parang so premium nung ice niya, guys. Wow. Masarap. In fairness, masarap siya. I like the ice. Kasi parang siyang super fine. Pero, it's ice pa rin. And then, sobra. And sobrang daming toppings, which is so good. Pero, overall, the flavor, guys, is masarap siya. I didn't know ganito kasarap to. Anyway, kaya parang sobra siya na-advertise. Pero, I never got the chance to try. Kasi wala sila sa Foodpanda and Grab. And they only deliver through their website. Try nyo guys!